Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by picking the browser. Chrome or another Chromium-based browser works best because Drive caches files there. Once signed into the Google account, you want offline access for Open Drive. Google, calm and go straight to Settings. Enable offline synchronization and allow the browser to store files. This is necessary so Google can save local copies. Make sure you have sufficient free disk space. After you toggle offline on, give the browser a few moments to initialize the. Once offline is enabled, you need to choose what stays available locally. You can right-click individual files or entire folders and select Available Offline to pin them. This forces the browser to download the file copies. For docs, sheets, and slides, open each file once while online so the editor creates a cached version. Make sure you watch the sync indicator. It will flip to a local copy icon when ready. If you have many files, let the browser finish syncing before you disconnect. Now test the setup. Disconnect from the network and open Drive. Google, Com, or the Docs apps, you should see and open pinned files without connectivity. You can edit them, changes save to the local cache and will upload automatically when you reconnect, so your work stays consistent. If something fails, re-enable offline in Settings, update Chrome, clear the browser cache, and confirm there's enough disk space. Those steps resolve most sync or availability problems quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.